Guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I received another jump starter from, I can't even pronounce his name, ZEVZO ZEVZO. ZEVZO. I'm gonna unbox it for you, but I mean, you gotta come up with a better name than that. You can't even pronounce it. Holy cow. And what's the deal with the space between the S and the Z? I just don't get it. Why can't you come up with something easier to remember, like power box or something like that, you know, something that makes sense. I don't know. It's a nice box. And here it is. This is a 1000 amp per hour mini jump starter. It's really small, but don't let the size fool you, because I have had these things in the past and they work absolutely fantastic. It jumps a car up to 7-liter engines or trucks, believe it or not. I know. Anyway, there's a power button here. You gotta turn it on. So you turn it on and it shows 3 bars out of a possible 4 dots, and means that you could use it for a while, and when it gets to about 1 bar left, you could recharge it. Over here is the grommet where you would insert your alligator clips for the positive and negative side of your battery. It's an intelligent, smart module on it, which means that when you plug it in, you can't put it on wrong. Like if you put the negative on the positive and positive on the negative, it's not going to short circuit, because it has an intelligent module here which probably displays how much voltage you currently have, and it warns you whether or not you put it on properly. On this side, there's a light. When you press the power button for 3 seconds, it has a steady flashlight, so it's handy to see things at night. You tap it again, and it has the SOS signal for help, 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 I'm stuck, helicopter, come get me. And if you press it again, it's a steady warning light, just constant like that. So you put it in the back of your car while you're changing a tire in the dark on the side of a highway or something like that. You never want to be in that position, but if you're in that position, these cars can see that there's something there and it won't hit you. Press it again and it'll stop to the constant light. Press it for 3 seconds and it shuts off. So it also has 2 USB ports standard, as well as a USB-C input for charging your electronic devices such as your iPad or your iPhone or something like that. And then when you connect this to your alligator clips, has a green light showing it's ready to go. You just have to connect these things to your battery and you can jump start your car.
So we're going to plug in our clamps. You'll connect black to black, red to red, power on the unit, and you're good to go. This weighs about 1.54 pounds, and the dimensions are 5.7 inches by 3.4 inches, and it is 1 inch thick. Its ultra-safe protection system features low voltage protection, reverse polarity protection, and high temperature protection against short circuit protection, jump start, timeout protection, and high voltage protection.
Also comes with instructions, but it's very straightforward, as well as a USB-C cable for charging up your device. Very easy to use. If you left your car door open or your lights on at night in your car, and the next morning when you're going to school or work and your car won't start, you put this to negative, put this to positive, you start your car. It's very easy. Very good to have in your car, your glove compartment or your trunk. Just bring it with you. It's small enough for you to just carry in your car, and then you'll have peace of mind that if you ever can't start your car because the battery's dead, you have a little thing that's about the thickness of 2 iPhones, almost the same size. It's very small, 1000 amps per hour, and it's very inexpensive. The ZEVZO. You got to change the name though. It's ridiculously terrible. Really, it's a terrible name. But small, portable, put in your pocket if you want. But and also it charges your, like I said, it just acts as a power bank as well. So if you need to start your car, you use it. And if your phone's running dead, you can connect it on to recharge your phone too, and other electronic devices. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. We'll see you guys next time on another Mowers and Blowers product review.
See you guys next time on Mowers.